Hey, Tom. Wow, long time no see. Oh, hello. How have you been, Tom? I'm sorry, but I think you have the wrong person. The wrong person? Yes, I'm not Tom. Oh, really? Yes, really. I'm so sorry about that. It's okay, no worries. You look exactly like my friend Tom. I hear that a lot. Really? Yes, people often confuse me with someone else. Wow, you even sound like him. That's interesting. I feel a little embarrassed now. Please don't. It happens sometimes. I even waved at you from far away. Yes, I saw that. I thought you were ignoring me. I was just confused. Are you from this neighborhood? Yes, I live nearby. My friend also lives here. That explains it. You even have the same jacket as him. That's funny. And the same haircut, too. I guess we really look alike. I can't believe this happened. It makes a good story. Thank you for being so kind about it. Of course, no problem at all. I hope I didn't waste your time. Not at all. I was just walking anyway. Still, I feel silly. You shouldn't. I would do the same thing. Tom, what's going on? I just talked to someone who looks exactly like you. Really? I thought he was you. That's hilarious. I even called him by your name. Oh no. He was very polite. That's good. I was so embarrassed. I understand. Do people mistake you for others often? Yes, it happens sometimes. I guess I'm not alone. Definitely not. Next time I'll check twice. Or say the name first. Lesson learned. Let's laugh about it. Yes, it's funny now.
Something really bad just happened. Oh no, you look upset. I am. I dropped my phone in the toilet. Oh wow, that's terrible. I feel so stupid. Don't say that. It can happen to anyone. The phone is completely wet. Did you take it out right away? Yes, immediately. That's good. You did the right thing. I didn't know what to do. First, turn it off. It's off now. Good. Don't turn it on again. Okay. Did you dry it? I used a towel. Gently, right? Yes, very gently. Is the screen still wet? A little. That's normal. Is my phone ruined forever? Not necessarily. Really? There's a simple trick. What is it? Put the phone in dry rice. Rice? Yes, dry, uncooked rice. That sounds strange. It works sometimes. How does it work? Rice absorbs moisture. How long should I leave it there? At least 24 hours. That's so long. I know, but waiting is important. Should I remove the case? Yes, and remove the SIM card. Okay, I'll do that. Make sure the phone is fully covered. I really hope it works. Stay positive. I'll be more careful next time. That's a good lesson. Thank you for staying calm with me. Panic never helps. Hello, John.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm fine. Do you have a moment?
Sure. What's up?
I hope I'm not bothering you.
Not at all.
I wanted to talk about the noise.
Oh, is it too loud?
A little, especially at night.
I didn't realize that.
I understand you enjoy music,
Yes, I do.
but the sound comes through the walls.
I see. That must be annoying.
It makes it hard to sleep.
I'm really sorry about that.
The noise usually starts late,
Around what time?
after 10 p.m.
Oh, that's quite late.
I wake up early for work.
That makes sense.
I didn't want to complain.
You did the right thing.
I just wanted to talk calmly.
I appreciate that.
Maybe you could lower the volume
I can do that.
or use headphones.
That's a good idea.
Thank you for understanding.
I'm sorry for the trouble.
I feel much better now.
Please tell me if it happens again.
I will. Thank you for listening. I can't find my keys anywhere.
Okay, let's stay calm.
I'm really worried.
When did you last use them?
This morning.
Did you lock the door?
Yes, I did.
So you had them with you.
Yes.
Where did you go after that?
I went to the bus stop.
Did you check your pockets?
Many times.
What about your bag?
I checked, but nothing.
Sometimes we miss small things.
I'm starting to panic.
Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Let's retrace your steps slowly.
Wait. I hear a sound.
What kind of sound?
Like keys.
Check your bag again.
Oh, they were in the side pocket.
See?
I feel so relieved.
Staying calm really helps.
I'll keep them in one place next time.
That's a good habit.
Mark, my sink is leaking again.
When did it start?
Early this morning.
Is it a big problem?
No, just a small drip.
Small drips can become big problems.
That's why I called you.
Good idea.
Thank you for coming.
First, I'll turn off the water.
I didn't know where the valve was.
It's under the sink.
Oh, now I know.
The washer is loose.
Is it serious?
No, it's an easy fix.
That's a relief.
I'll tighten it carefully.
Okay.
Now, let's turn the water back on.
Fingers crossed.
It looks dry.
No dripping.
Perfect.
You saved me a lot of stress.
Happy to help.